just say Adeogun. See, just can you imagine what Zenith Bank alone, just Zenith Bank in Ajose Adeogun is doing for this very street. Just one out of the whole street in Ajose Adeogun for Christmas, and then we don't even have anything like this in Apapa. It's so shameful. It's so shameful. Apapa is actually a place where all this money is coming from. Like I don't even understand what's going on. It's so crazy. Like, these are things that when I look at them, like, what is really going on with our community? Have we gone so low and then lowered the bar so much that it's irreparable? Like, can't we make it happen again? Is it impossible? This is the roundabout at Jose Adeogun. See what's going on here. Like, this is real. This is what Christmas actually looks like. This is Christmas. Just this December, for God's sake. See what's going on. Zenith Bank. So now you have Eco Hotel here. So it's just a proof that we are actually not doing anything in Apapa, right? It's so painful. It's annoying. It's disheartening. Yeah, I grew up in the community and I feel like, yeah, I'm supposed to, play a part all this while, but I feel like I've made the mistake and I'm coming back again to let's start questioning everything. Like, that's why we are the Parrots. Like, talk about everything. Talk. Everybody needs to talk. All this closing of mouths will never help anybody. Closing your mouth will never help anybody. Everybody needs to talk. Like, Apapa is the only place that I see that nobody talks about anything. Nobody talks about anything. I don't even see them on Twitter. It's so annoying. It's so painful. I don't even see them on Twitter. I don't see them on Facebook. Even if I see them, like, nobody talks about anything that goes on in the community. It's so painful. Don't do a beg. I don't want to talk too much. It's so annoying. All right. Tomosai, anyway.